Welcome to my page, welcome to my channel, Chibaby Solomon African Delight Delicacy. So today in my kitchen I am making Isi-Ewu. Isi-Ewu. Yes, I have 2 goat head here. Sorry, Isi-Ewu is goat head. Let me show you how we prepare our Isi-Ewu, our local Isi-Ewu. This is the Isi-Ewu we have here. I'm going to steam this Isi-Ewu with Isi-Ewu with onion, pepper, stock, salt, and what else? Maybe crayfish. I'm going to cook this Isi-Ewu for some hours before I can start boiling the Isi-Ewu. I have one woman that just came out from psychiatric home that always disturb my content. So recently I've not been doing content because of her. She will always come and chook her mouth inside my content. Sorry guys, I need to wash this again because she did not even wash it properly. Look at what she washed. I just added pepper, onion, stock, salt. So this is the brain. I'll be putting it on top here. Steam it first, okay? I'll be steaming it first. So you can see how soft our goat hair is after cooking it. Now I am deboning it. I want to take all the bones out. I like doing a very neat job. Not like if I eat goat bone full inside. So I'm removing all the bone.